Are you ready to embark on a journey of sensory overload? India is a land of diverse cultures, each with its unique traditions, customs, and flavors. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the serene backwaters of Kerala, India has something for everyone. Join us as we explore 15 cultural delights in India that will leave you mesmerized. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest travel videos. India is a country known for its rich cultural heritage and diversity. From ancient traditions to modern-day customs, India has it all. The country boasts of numerous cultural delights that are sure to leave anyone awestruck. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore the top 15 cultural delights in India that you absolutely cannot miss. So, if you are a culture enthusiast and want to witness the beauty of India, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for our channel. Let's begin. 15. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an iconic mausoleum located in Agra, India, and is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away in 1631. Construction began in 1632 and took over 20 years to complete, with thousands of artisans and workers involved in the project. The Taj Mahal is known for its intricate and detailed design, which incorporates elements of Islamic, Persian, and Indian architecture. The exterior of the building is made of white marble, decorated with precious stones and intricate carvings, and is surrounded by beautiful gardens and reflecting pools. 14. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, is a stunningly beautiful and sacred Sikh temple located in Amritsar, India. It is considered the holiest shrine for Sikhs worldwide and attracts millions of visitors each year. The temple was built in the 16th century by Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth guru of the Sikh religion. The temple is made of white marble and is surrounded by a man-made lake known as the Sarovar, which is a sacred pool of nectar. 13. Holi. Holi is a vibrant and colorful festival that is celebrated annually in India and other parts of the world with great enthusiasm and joy. Also known as the Festival of Colors or the Festival of Love. Holi marks the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. The festival is typically celebrated over 2 days. On the first day, people light bonfires to signify the burning of the demon Holika, who tried to kill the young Prahlad, a devotee of Lord Vishnu. 12. Diwali. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of the most significant and widely celebrated festivals in India and other parts of the world. It is a 5-day festival that falls in the Hindu month of Kartik, usually between mid-October and mid-November. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil and light over darkness, and it is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor by people of all ages. During Diwali, people clean and decorate their homes with colorful rangolis, lights, and flowers. They also dress up in new clothes and exchange gifts and sweets with their family and friends. 11. Yoga. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in ancient India. It has become a popular form of exercise and stress relief around the world. The word yoga means to join or unite, and the practice aims to unite the body, mind, and spirit. The physical aspect of yoga involves practicing postures or asanas that are designed to stretch and strengthen the body. These postures are often performed in a sequence that is synchronized with the breath. The practice of yoga can help improve flexibility, balance, and strength, and can also alleviate pain and reduce the risk of injury. 10. Bollywood. Bollywood is the nickname given to the Indian film industry based in Mumbai, which is the largest film industry in the world. The term Bollywood is a portmanteau of Bombay, the former name of Mumbai, and Hollywood. The industry produces hundreds of films every year in multiple languages, with Hindi language films being the most popular. 9. Street food. Street food is a ubiquitous and integral part of many cultures around the world. It represents the authentic flavors of a region and is often the go-to option for locals and tourists alike. Street food is not only a quick and affordable meal, but it also provides a glimpse into the local food culture and traditions. From tacos in Mexico to samosas in India, street food is a reflection of a country's history, geography, and diverse culinary traditions. Street food vendors can be found in every corner of the world, serving everything from sweet treats to savory snacks. 8. Varanasi. Varanasi, also known as Kashi or Banaras, is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world and is situated on the banks of the river Ganges in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. It is a city of immense historical, cultural, and spiritual significance and is considered one of the 7 holy cities of India. The city is renowned for its ancient temples, ghats, steps leading to the river Ganges, narrow streets, and vibrant culture. Varanasi is the spiritual capital of India and attracts pilgrims from all over the country and the world. 7. Jaipur. Jaipur, also known as the Pink City, is the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan. Founded in 1727 by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh Hugh, Jaipur is a city that exudes a sense of royalty and grandeur. The city gets its nickname from the pink color of the buildings in the Old City, which were painted pink in 1876 to welcome the visit of Prince Albert. The city of Jaipur is famous for its rich culture, heritage, and architecture. Some of the must-visit places in Jaipur include the City Palace, Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Amar Fort, and Jal Mahal. 6. Kathakali. Kathakali is a highly stylized form of Indian classical dance drama that originated in the southern state of Kerala. The art form is known for its elaborate makeup, intricate costumes, and expressive gestures and postures. The word Kathakali is derived from 2 Sanskrit words, Katha meaning story and Kali meaning play. The dance drama typically involves retelling stories from Indian mythology, focusing on themes of good versus evil. Kathakali is characterized by its use of facial expressions, hand gestures, and body movements to convey emotions and tell stories. The performers, who are exclusively male, wear brightly colored costumes and makeup, including large, exaggerated headdresses and painted faces. 5. Hampi. Hampi is a historic town located in the southern Indian state of Karnataka. It is known for its magnificent ruins and temples that date back to the Vijayanagar Empire, which ruled over the region from the 14th to the 16th century. The town is situated on the banks of the Tungabhadra River and is surrounded by a picturesque landscape of boulder-strewn hills and rice paddies. 3. Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is an ancient Hindu pilgrimage that is held every 12 years in India and is considered to be the largest peaceful gathering of people on earth. The festival is celebrated at 4 different locations in India: Allahabad, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain, based on the position of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, and the Sun. The festival lasts for several weeks, and millions of devotees from all over the world gather to take a dip in the holy rivers, seek blessings from sadhus and saints, and perform various religious rituals. 2. Tea plantations. Tea plantations are vast expanses of land dedicated to the cultivation of tea bushes, the source of one of the world's most popular and beloved beverages. These plantations can be found in various parts of the world, but some of the most famous and prolific ones are located in countries such as India, China, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and Indonesia. 1. Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a holistic healing system that originated in ancient India more than 5,000 years ago. It is a Sanskrit word that means science of life, and it aims to promote balance and harmony in the body, mind, and spirit. Ayurveda views health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not just the absence of disease. India is a country with a rich cultural heritage that offers a plethora of delightful experiences. From the bustling bazaars to the tranquil backwaters, and from the spicy street food to the fragrant gardens, there is something for everyone to explore and enjoy. So if you're planning a trip to India or simply want to learn more about its vibrant culture, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of what this incredible country has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.